Hi dear students, welcome to Exam Side Mathematics by Pani. Here we are in exercise 2B, relations and functions. Yeah, just I'm watching that how many people are attending the live session. Just I'm go through that. Yeah, Stakil, thank you for joining the session. Yeah, the questions you already seen about the questions what I wrote here. A equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 set of all and B equal to 4, 6, 9 to define a relation R from A to B by R equal to x comma y such that the difference between x and y is odd where x belongs to A, y belongs to B. Write R in the roster form. So they are asking to write the difference of two numbers x and y is odd. Before that, they are asking to find a relation, define a relation. What is the relation? Any subset from A cross B is called a relation. So first, I am going to write A cross B according to the question. A equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and B equal to 4, 6, 9. So A cross B. So we know that how many elements are going to come? 5 into 3, 15 elements will come. First you have to write it 1 comma 4. Next 1 comma 6, 1 comma 9. Later start with 2. 2 comma 4, 2 comma 6, 2 comma 9. Next 3 comma 4, 3 comma 6, 3 comma 9. Next start with 4. 4 comma 4, 4 comma 6, 4 comma 9. This is the descriptive I am explaining to students. It is not like a competitive. It's help for the board of intermediate AP. It will help. That is the reason, clear information I am explaining. 4 comma 9. Later start with 5. 5 comma 4. Next 5 comma 6. 5 comma 9. So out of these A cross B elements, you have to write a relation R is equal to x comma y such that the difference of the difference of x and y is odd where x belongs to A, y belongs to B. If you write in this, this is called the roster form. So what are the elements in this category? So R equal to. So difference of x and y is odd. See, 1 comma 4. Difference is what? 1 minus 4 is 3, odd number. 1 comma 6. Next, 1 comma 9 it won't come. 2 comma 4 is also it won't come. 2 comma 6 also it won't come. Next, 2 comma 9. Odd number it is. 3 comma 4. Next, 3 comma 6. That is also odd number. 3 comma 9 it won't come. 4 comma 4 it won't come. 4 comma 6. 4 comma 9 it comes. Next, 5 comma 4. Next, 5 comma 6. That's all, dear students. These are the elements. This is the relation which is subset of A cross B anyway. This is the required relation. It is in the roster form. So, which is the required? Which is the required relation? I hope you understand, dear students. Come to question number 2. Determine the domain and range of the relation R defined by R equal to. So, they're asking to find domain and range. So, first, given relation R equal to. This is the given relation. R equal to x comma x plus 5 such that x belongs to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Later, we have to write the elements. This is x, this is y. X comma x plus y, x plus 5. So that is equal to x comma y, dear students. So, x is equal to 0. That implies y is equal to x plus 5. Na? So, x is equal to 0, substitute in this. What comes? 0 plus 5 equal to 5. Next, x is equal to 1 if you substitute. Y is equal to 1 plus 5. That is equal to 6. X is equal to 2, substitute in this. Y is equal to 2 plus 5, 7. Next, x is equal to 3, substitute in this. Y equal to 3 plus 5, that is equal to 8. X is equal to 4, substitute in this. Y value will become 4 plus 5, 9. Next, x is equal to 5 is lost. What comes here? Y is equal to 5 plus 5, 10. So, therefore, the required relation R equal to 0 comma 5. Okay. Next, 1 comma 6, 2 comma 7, 3 comma 8, 4 comma 9, next 5 comma 10. Here they are not asking to write relation, not only relation, but also domain and range. See, a domain of relation dr equal to. So the first elements in the ordered pairs of the relation is called domain. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Relation, range of the relation R means. So the second elements 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So therefore this is the domain. In words I am writing domain of R, a range of R, a range of R. Okay, dear students, I hope you understand. We'll move on to other question. Question number 3. Write the relation. Write the relation R equal to x comma x cube. X is a prime number less than 10 in roster form. In roster form. So this is the one question. Next, question number 4. Let A equal to x, y, z and B equal to 1, 2. Find the number of relations. Find the number of relations from A to B. Question number 5 is, let R be the relation. Let R be the relation on Z. Z means integers. Defined by R equal to ordered pair A comma B such that A comma B belongs to Z, comma A minus B is an integer. Find the domain and the range. The domain and the range of R. These are the questions. Yeah, any idea, dear students? Write the relation R x comma x cube. But first, x is a prime number which is less than 10. So I am taking A is equal to x is a prime number less than 10. Less than 10, what are the prime numbers? 2, 3, 5, 7. That's all. These are the prime numbers. So we have to write the relation R equal to x comma x cube such that x is a prime number less than 10. So what are the possibilities we are getting here? We can write it. X is equal to first 2 you take it. So 2 comma 2 cube. 3 comma 3 cube. Next 5 comma 5 cube. And 7 comma 7 cube. So R equal to 2 comma 8. 3 comma 27. 5 comma 125. 7 comma 343. Am I right? 343. 49 into 7. So this is the way you can write it, dear students. Next, come to the question number 4. Let A is equal to. So given sets A equal to X, Y, Z. So that implies the cardinality of the set n of A equal to 3 elements are there. Next, B equal to, how many elements are there in this B? 1 comma 2. It contains 2 elements. So cardinality of set n of B equal to 2. The number of relations from a set A to a set B are 2 power n of A cross n of B. So which is equal to 2 power 3 cross 2 into 2 power 6, that is equal to 64. Okay, dear students, I hope you understand. Come to the question number 5. Let R be the relation on Z defined by R equal to. So here, let A comma B belongs to Z, then A minus B belongs to also Z. For every pair of A comma B and A minus B belongs to Z, it's an integer. So therefore, R equal to A comma B such that A comma B belongs to Z and A minus B is an integer. So ordered by both are integers only, no? So therefore A minus B set also relation. Therefore domain of R is equal to range of R is equal to Z. Domain as well as range, both are equal to Z, dear students. So first bit completed. Now we will enter into the second bit. In second bit, question number 1, let A equal to 1, 2, 3 and so on up to 14. Define a relation or from A to A by or equal to x comma y such that 3x minus y is equal to 0, where x comma y both are belongs to A. Write down its domain, codomain, and range. Next, question number 2. Define a relation or on the set n natural numbers by or equal to x comma y such that y equal to x plus 5. X is a natural number. Less than 4. And x comma y belongs to n. Deposit this relationship. Using roster form. Write down domain and range. Domain and range. So these are the questions, dear students. See, here they are asking to find, let A is given, A equal to the set of all elements 1, 2, 3 and so on 14. Define a relation. What relation is given? Both are given. Given A equal to and given relation. R equal to x comma y such that 3x minus y equal to 0, where x comma y belongs to A. This is the relation is given. So what are the elements which belongs to this relation? We can find it. So what is the condition they provided? 3x minus y equal to 0. That implies y is equal to 3x only, no? Next here, till 14 numbers only we have to get even. Y also belongs to a till before 14 values. Suppose put x is equal to 1, then y is equal to 3 into 1, that is equal to 3. So 1 by we got that. X is equal to 2, then y equal to 3 into 2, 6. Next, x is equal to 3, then y is equal to 3 into 3, which is equal to 9. So x is equal to 4, then y is equal to 3 into 4, which is equal to 12. If we take x is equal to 5, suppose, then y equal to 3 into 5, which is equal to 15, it does not belongs to A. It does not belongs to A. So, only these cases will come, dear students. So, therefore, the relation R will becomes R is equal to 1, 3, the base. Next, 2, 6, 3, 9, 4, 12. These are the elements only it comes. In that they are asking to write domain, codomain and range. Domain of R. So dr equal to. So domain is all the elements, whatever we have in A, we can write it 1, 2, 3 and so on up to. So codomain is all elements, but domain is only 1, 2, 3, 4. Next, range of R. So R. So what are the elements of range? 3, 6, 9, 12. Next, codomain of R. So whatever the elements which are present in A, it comes here. 1, 2, 3 and so on up to 14. This is the information about this question number 1 in second bit. Now come to the question number 2. So first define a relation R on the set N is a natural number which is less than 4. So let A equal to let R is a relation, not A. R is equal to x comma y such that y is equal to x plus 5. X is a natural number less than 4. So less than 4 we are getting, no? So what happens after less than 4? So what are the possibilities? So A equal to, let A equal to less than 4 means we have only 1, 2, 3. These are the possibilities of A. So if x is equal to 1, then y is equal to x plus 5, that is equal to 1 plus 5 equal to 6. X is equal to 2, then y equal to 2 plus 5, which is equal to 7. X is equal to 3, then y equal to 3 plus 5, which is equal to 8. So the relation we got it as 1, 6, next 2, 7, next 3, 8. Next, write down domain and range. Therefore, domain of R domain of R. So first elements 1, 2, 3. Next range of R. Six, 7, 8. I hope you understand this, students. We'll move on to other question. Yeah. You are reducing the watching students. Your orientation students are in. Write the relation. Write the relation. Relationship. Write the relationship between the sets. Between the sets P and Q. P and Q. In the figure, this is P, this is Q. Here the element 5, element 6, element 7. Here 3, 4, 5. It relates like this. First one is in set builder form. In set builder form. In set builder form. Second one roster form. What is its domain and range? And what is its domain and range? Question number 4 and last question in this exercise 2B. Let A equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. Let R be the relation. Let R be the relation. Let R be the relation on A defined by A comma B such that A comma B belongs to A and B is exactly divisible by A, divisible by A. So write R in the roster form, Find domain of R, and range of R. So these are the questions from see here, write the relationship between the sets P and Q. If you observe the elements which are belongs to P, so here P set it contains 5, 6, 7 and Q contains 3, 4, 5. Okay, dear students. By observing the difference of these two sets is 2. Okay, am I right? So this is X, this is Y. So from the sets, we observe that X belongs to P, generally X belongs to P and Y belongs to Q. That difference of these two, X minus Y is equal to 2. Am I right? So from that what we can write is X minus 2 is equal to Y. So they are asking to write R in terms of, we can write like this also, X is equal to Y plus 2 also we can write it. Okay. X comma P, Y belongs to. First, in set builder form I am going to write. So the relation R equal to set builder form. X comma Y, ordered pair X comma Y such that X is equal to Y plus 2 or X minus 2 equal to Y, where X belongs to P, Y belongs to Q. This is set builder form. You have to write in the roster form, means the elements which are getting for this condition. So what elements we are going to get it as? Suppose if we take 5 here to bring this side, X is equal to 5 means Y is equal to 3 will come. So see, X is equal to 5, substitute 5 minus 2, 3. Next, X is equal to 6 if we substitute in this. Or we can write like this also, dear students. X minus 2 is equal to Y also we can write it. Condition. X minus 2 is equal to Y. 5 comma 3. Next, 6 comma 4. X is equal to 6 is substitute 6 minus 2, 4 will come. Next, X is equal to 7, substitute 7 minus 2 is 5. So 7 comma 5, dear students. I hope you understand. This is the roster form. This is called set builder form. This is roster form. They are asking to write domain and range. So domain of R is P only here. That means, what are the domain? 5, 6, 7. It is nothing but P. Next, the range of R. So 3, 4, 5. It is nothing but Q. That's all, dear students. This is the way we can. From the sets, first we observe that what is the relation between 5 and 3, 6 and 4, 7 and 5. So the difference of these two equal to 2. That's what I wrote here. X minus y is equal to 2. So from that we can make that x is equal to y plus 2 like this way. Okay. Now come to the question number 4. Let A equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. Let R be the relation on A defined by A comma B such that first R in the roster form that I see. Before yes, we'll write it first given relation you write it, given relation. R equal to A comma B such that A comma B belongs to A, B is exactly divisible by A. Later, R in the roster form. So, roster form R equal to. So, what are the elements? See, B is exactly divisible by B means here first 1 comma 1 you write it, 2 comma 2, 3 comma 3, 4 comma 4, 6 comma 6. After these possibilities, if you write 1 comma 2, 2 divisible by 1. Next 1 comma 3 also. Next 1 comma 4, 1 comma 6. Later 2 comma 4, 4 is divisible by 2. Next 2 comma 6, 6 is divisible by 2. Next 3 comma 6, 1 comma 3 also we got it already. 3 comma 6. Is there any possibility to miss that? I hope most of the questions, how many possibilities we are getting? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. What I wrote it previously. So 12 we are getting now here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Yes. Other than these, no possibilities. So write in roster form completed. Next, domain and range. Domain of R is equal to. So first elements is domain. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and 6. So sorry, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. We got it now here. Domain 6 is 6. So other than this, elements not there. Next, range. Range of R. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. All the elements are there, nothing. So domain and range we got it, dear students. Till here we finished exercise 2B in relations and function, AP Intermediate Mathematics. 2A in previous class I have completed. Next 2B also completed. In the coming classes I may finish the rest of the 3 exercises within 2-3 days, dear students. Thank you for your support. Those who are watching first time, please like and subscribe and share to the needy students, whoever it is required about this channel. This channel is exclusively for CBSE and JEE Mains, and also from 2025 to 26, the new AP's intermediate syllabus came. So that board syllabus also I am explaining in this. Not only in my channel, in other channel also I am bearing that. Thank you for your support. Jai Hind. Exam Side Mathematics by Pani.